Welcome back to GreenTGarden. Right here, beautiful hydroponic smart indoor garden system by Ahopegrden. This is the clear, transparent one that you can see right through. It's been 3 weeks only. Within 3 weeks, we're ready to harvest. I could even harvest earlier, but today we're gonna harvest indoor. If you don't have a green thumb or you never have any garden experience, you could give hydroponics a system a chance. It's easy, it's no mess, no stress. See how beautiful this system is. Look at the lights underneath. The lights controlled by timer. You have the pump button. You have the power, the pump, the time, and veggies or fruit or flower, whatever you guys are growing. And you can see how beautiful these lettuce are. Lettuce and pak choi could harvest the same times. Between 3 to 6 inches is perfect. And with a hydroponics, this I actually left it growing a little bit longer, but you could harvest this early stage to get more room and more space. And you could see kale, fresh lettuce, and pak choi right in your home. Look how beautiful everything looks. So cut from the outer side, cut from the outer leaves. Do not cut the whole plant out like that. Do not cut that out. You're gonna damage and ruin the plant. So you see the crown inside right there, the smaller leaves, they are gonna continue growing once we continue harvest out here. Come on, guys. How amazing this is to have your own fresh veggies right in your home. And this is fall winter time. It does get crowdy, so I highly recommend to harvest on time. If you harvest on time, it's not gonna get, overcrowded beyond. It's gonna actually be fine. Hydroponics system, it's not big, this one. And I gotta tell you guys, check in the description box. I'm gonna leave a code so you guys could save some money if you wanna try one of these. And I just wanna show you, look at the kale. Fall time outside, we don't have an outdoor garden, so why not have an indoor garden? This is good too because it keeps you busy. You're doing a project, it keeps you healthy, and it's fun and it's amazing to just watch everything grow. And it's good for the family and the kids. Like my kids, they are a big fan. As you know, guys know my daughter Grace. She is a big fan of doing this indoor garden. She loves outdoor, so this indoor stuff too, it's like amazing for her. She loves it. Right, so a beautiful harvest right indoor. How amazing and lucky GreenTGarden is right here. Look at this. Beautiful. Oh my God. And no effort, no stress, no nothing. Everything just growing amazing. Pretty cool, pretty easy. Ahopegrden, love it. And I gotta tell you, for the price, you cannot go wrong. It's a good budget price. It's a great gift for the holiday. Check the link in the description box below and use my code, and make sure to click on my link, please. You click on my link, you will get the code guaranteed there. Type it in and I get a small commission if you guys buy through my link. So I do appreciate it and grateful that you guys supporting. And I gotta tell you, it's for the price. You could see right there, it does an amazing job within 3 weeks. If you're now starting in garden, or you don't have a backyard or a front yard, or you don't have space and you just want to eat a little bit healthier and change your lifestyle and just do something with the family. Thank you so much for watching GreenTGarden. I just wanted to show you guys my first harvest from Ahopegrden hydroponics 12 pods which hold 12 plants. They do have smaller system, and as I said, the price is amazing. The price is cheap, actually. It's a cheap, good quality stuff. I gotta tell you, I have no problem with it, and you guys can see it. There's no problem. And if you're new, don't forget to like and subscribe for more upcoming videos in GreenTGarden. We have a lot more videos, so don't forget, smash that red subscribe button. It's free, and every time I upload a video, if you click on the bell icon, you guys will get it right away. And grow your own vegetables right indoor in the winter time. And it's not just winter time, it's summertime. All year long, you could grow fresh stuff.